A set of highly classified documents from the US Pentagon were leaked online in recent weeks in an apparent security breach that revealed US intelligence gathering on some of its key allies. Those documents again shed light on the extensive spying activities conducted by the US in various parts of the world. For many years, Washington has been spying on the world through electronic eavesdropping and communication interception, with the targets ranging from what it called strategic competitors to its European partners.
US itself is running the biggest surveillance systems.
الولايات المتحدة بالذات هي تتجسس على الجميع. بالذات هي تتجسس على الجميع. وهي الرائدة في برامج التجسس بهذا الشكل.
In May 2021, Denmark's national broadcaster DR News reported that the Danish Defense Intelligence Service had given the US National Security Agency open internet access to spy on senior politicians of countries, including then German Chancellor Angela Merkel. The report said that the NSA purposefully obtained data and thus was able to spy on targeted heads of state, as well as Scandinavian leaders, top politicians, and high-ranking officials in Germany, Sweden, Norway, and France.
İstihbaratına yönelik, sinyal istihbaratına ve elektronik istihbarat yönelik bir şeyi var. İstihbarat birimi var, çok büyük bir birim. Bu National Agency diye, United States National Agency diye bir birim biliyorsunuz. O birimin işi dinlemek. Yani hem stratejik dinlemeler yapıyor, hem de diğer dinlemeleri yapıyor.
According to the New York Times, in 2013, documents leaked by Edward Snowden revealed that a new age of US spying had begun after September 2001. It was clear that the US, driven by fears of foreign terrorism and empowered by technological advances, had created a sophisticated network of global surveillance that was scooping up vast amounts of data from millions of emails and phone calls around the world.
أي بمعنى أن وثائق ويكيليكس أيضا أكدت في السابق مثل هذا التوجهات، وهذا يدلل أن البنتاغون ووزارة الدفاع والاستخبارات الأمريكية تمارس كل الأشكال التي من شأنها أن فقط تجعل من الولايات المتحدة هي سيدة العالم وهي قائدة العالم دون أي اعتراف أو اعتبار لموقع الدول الأخرى ومكانة الدول الأخرى في إطار نظرية علاقات دولية تؤسس أن القانون الدولي هو الوحيد الذي يضبط العلاقات بين الدول.
A decade later, the Pentagon is in the limelight this time. The highly classified documents leaked from the department also reportedly include military assessments on the Ukraine crisis and CIA reports on a range of global issues. Some experts said that the reported leaks of classified Pentagon documents reveal double standards of the US. Havold Classic, a professor at the University of Zagreb, told Xinhua in an interview that in many respects, America has double standards as it accuses others of what it is doing itself. Double standards are visible in many fields in American politics today. Analysts said that the unchecked surveillance is a means by which the United States interferes in other countries and achieves its own political goals.
The United States of America dabbles heavily into spying. The Americans have been dabbling in surveillance of friends and foes and enemies, everybody. This has been happening for a very, very long time. It does show the US hegemony. The US is a big hegemon. And the mighty, powerful nations get away with whatever they're doing. There are no standards, there is no accountability.